The 2025 Suzuki Solio is a modern compact hatchback that has been designed to meet the needs of urban drivers who want practicality, style, and efficiency in one package. Known for its tall boy design, the Solio offers more interior space than most hatchbacks in its class, while keeping its footprint compact enough to easily maneuver through crowded city streets. The red color option makes the car stand out, giving it a vibrant and youthful appearance that will surely attract younger buyers as well as small families. Suzuki has kept its focus on making the Solio both functional and stylish, ensuring it caters to drivers who want a balance between comfort and performance. From the outside, the 2025 Solio carries a sleek yet boxy profile that highlights its practicality. The front is bold with a chrome-accented Suzuki grille and modern LED headlamps that enhance visibility at night. The sides are straight and clean, with sliding rear doors that make entry and exit extremely convenient, especially in tight parking spaces. The rear design is simple yet sharp, with rectangular LED tie-lamps, a Solio badge, and a sporty black bumper that gives the hatchback a confident stance. Its compact dimensions make it perfect for urban settings, yet the tall design maximizes interior space, which is a key strength of this car. Inside, the Solio is surprisingly roomy for its size, offering generous headroom and legroom. The 2025 model comes with updated upholstery and a modern dashboard layout featuring a touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity. The cabin is designed with practical storage spaces and large windows, creating an open and airy environment. For a small family, this car is ideal as it provides comfort for daily commutes as well as short trips. Under the hood, the Suzuki Solio is expected to feature a fuel-efficient hybrid powertrain, combining a petrol engine with an electric motor to deliver better mileage and lower emissions. This makes it an economical choice for city driving. Safety features like airbags, ABS, and parking sensors add reassurance for families. Overall, the 2025 Suzuki Solio is a compact hatchback that manages to look stylish, remain practical, and deliver efficiency, making it a strong choice in the small car.